Hi, my name is Chris McKinzie. I'm an AI growth coach, systems and processes architect, and the president at Brand Butler. And I'm going to walk you through an ecosystem that we have built over the last 6 years with my partner, Adrian Boysel, who has been using social media, public speaking, courses, trainings to educate and empower people just like yourself. I encourage you to visit adrianboysel.com to learn more about Adrian, and I'm actually going to use his website to get to all the different brands that I'm going to talk about within this ecosystem. The first thing I want you to notice about this ecosystem is that there's two legs, Web3 and Web2. Each of these have all kinds of supporting pieces that go underneath them. The Web3 side filters through SkillStacker, and from SkillStacker, we lead people to Brand Butler through business growth tools. The people that come to Brand Butler directly will come through SkillStacker to get support and training for Brand Butler. Now I'm going to go back to Adrian's website right now and click on Brand Butler to get to the first piece of the Web2 side. I'm going to enter without audio so you can hear me and you can still see what he's saying. He explains his purpose, which he is the brains behind the operation. And I'm going to show you what the operation can do. The first thing is you can click on this button right here to be able to talk with him. You can ask him everything you want to know about the platform, and you can try it for free as well. But the starting point, once you're signed up, is to start here and create a brand. Creating a brand means that you're going to give Banks the answers to the questions that he has for you so that he can create both a brand blueprint and a marketing plan. The brand blueprint is a strategy that shows you how to effectively convey your brand, who you're trying to reach, and how you want them to perceive you. Then the marketing plan is going to demonstrate exactly how you're going to do everything that the strategy provides you with. Once you've done those things, you can navigate to the campaign toolbox, and it is filled with an array of tools which we're actively building and developing. That includes offers, color palette, logos, and emails, and not to mention all the things that we're still in the process of. But finally, we've got a GPT similar to Chat GPT. We named it Banks GPT because you are communicating with Banks. And anything that you would like to know, for instance, if you have questions on your brand blueprint or marketing strategy, you can click on create a new chat and you can ask him specific questions about it. You can also ask him to make things. I can ask him to make a flyer. So he can create images. He can create almost everything except video he can do. Now that you've seen what people can do with Brand Butler and why they would use it, let's talk about where they go from there. So there's 3 channels here, starting with the partner program, then Lead Butler, and then our agency services. So let's look at the partners. You can get there by clicking the middle button, which takes you to this page, and you can see the list of partners on the website. So let's just click on one of them and I'll walk through their page. The first thing I want you to notice is this is all about them. You can book a call with them right here. It doesn't cost anything and it's 15 minutes. This is an introductory call for them to walk through this entire process, which I'll give you a brief demonstration of. And basically what's happened is they've been certified in the framework that Brand Butler was built upon. And they're going to use Brand Butler to help you effectively structure your branding, marketing, and sales. This gives you all the information you need to know about the values behind the partners, why you need a partner, and then the benefits of working with them. And then also, this is going to be the stages of success that they run you through. So the first step is to get clarity on where your brand is. Once that clarity is defined, then you're going to get into the brand strategy. This includes the brand blueprint, but a lot more, along with a marketing plan. That is fully evolved, way beyond what you get with the regular marketing plan using Brand Butler. Finally, there's going to be a sales strategy that's created that will be able to effectively grow your business. So when people come to our website, we really want to send them to the partner program. That's why it's front and center in the navigation. Next, our partners may see that Lead Butler is a viable source for them to be able to grow their business. Let's say that was one of the tools that they suggested as a consultant for the brand. Going back to Brand Butler, you can click right here. You can find out all the information about Lead Butler at leadbutler.ai, and you can scroll down and see that this is basically an all-in-one success funnel. So this is going to start with people that don't know you, and then it's going to help you turn them into a raving fan. And so all the tools that are included in here are at one cost. That is a monthly subscription, and it will show you the problems that get solved through this platform and give you an easy way to go ahead and join. Click join now to get pricing and learn exactly what's included, such as the CRM and all the features of it, the onboarding, and the 24/7 support to make sure that you're successful within this platform. There's a quick video that demonstrates some of the features that you get. And as always, we're always here to help you with the process. As our partners are providing guided solutions and suggesting things like Lead Butler when it comes to the successful ways to grow a business, they're also going to come upon things like agency services. So if you take a look at Adrian Agency, which I'm going to go back to Adrian Boysel to get there. I'm just going to scroll down, click Adrian Agency here. You can see this is where it all started for us. And you can hover over services to see all of the services we provide through our agency services, along with case studies to show work that we've done for previous clients and a portfolio of a lot of the work that we've been able to do over the years. For clients that would like assistance with things like social media, we've created a standalone brand, which is really just a campaign to help them with that. So I'm going to scroll up here to Me Marketing to open this website up to show you. Traditional social media marketing doesn't really work very effectively. So what we've done is we've created a meme marketing agency that will effectively grow a business by hundreds of percentage with viral quality memes that are destined to grow a business. The pricing is very affordable, and you can learn all this information at mememarketing.agency. So I'm going to go back here and scroll up to get to videomarketingvault.com. And there's the video here showing the video work that we've done. And as you scroll down, this will show you the different things that we provide, starting prices, and the ability to book a call. For studio rentals, that's the thing that gets people in the door. So we've got 8 different sets, we've got high quality equipment, and when they come in, they have the ability to book one time, or there's additional advantages with a studio membership. So this would be kind of the upsell for people that come in to book time. So we want to get them to come in every month or maybe a couple of times a month. And these are the perks that come along with having a membership. So once they're there, they're probably going to need to get that video edited. So we created a simple instant quote feature for them to get a price right then and there. And we can also give custom quotes as well. You can see the work that we've done for some really influential people. And if you scroll down here, the last thing is, this is what you would get with video editing. And then if we managed your YouTube channel, you would get all of this. So the strategy, then the editing, plus we're going to do all of the posting, the SEO, all of that, and then do a detailed analysis so we can effectively grow a channel, not just edit a video. The pricing is very competitive on this, and we offer 1, 2, or 3 videos a week. In addition, we have the option to add in shorts pricing, where we'll take these videos and we'll convert them into videos that will work on TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, and all the different platforms. At the bottom of the Web2 side, you'll notice Placer Reviews, which is a lead generation program for everything you see here. So let me show you how it works. If you visit placerreview.com, you'll see a video which you can play, which will explain everything that I'm going to explain. But basically, you can apply to be featured on our website. on our social media channels, which this is a publication to highlight local businesses in the area where we're located. Video Marketing Vault is the studio where they come in, they get interviewed, and then we promote that on our social media channels and also on our website. So this is going to evolve into more of a traditional newspaper style website, but it's going to be video centric. So think a newspaper YouTube, which is what this is going to evolve into. So we just created this, but we've already completed a lot of interviews and we're in the process of getting them edited and we'll begin promoting them. Now, through the process, what are we doing? We're building relationships, which then in turn is going to result in them probably needing us to help them in all the areas that I just demonstrated. So let's get back over here and let's look at the Web3 side. As I mentioned, Brand Butler is the Web2 side, and people that come through Brand Butler are going to get automatic access into SkillStacker for support and training. So I'm going to go back here and scroll up to skillstacker.io, and I'm going to enter the realm and come into the pro community, which will show you our community. And we have people actively engaging in here. But the first thing I want to talk about is the training side. So there is a brand hacker training. There's a certification right here. We have lead generation, branding training. But if you take a look at the diagram, you'll notice that the training here is the first way for somebody to get from the Web3 to Web2. To become a brand hacker, will be certified as a Brand Butler consultant, and to be a partner would mean they're listed on the website and they're going to be getting the leads that come through brandbutler.ai. So once they've got training, that's how they're going to stack skills, and through the resources, they're going to gain freedom to delve into the crypto assets using the Stacker token and the NFT collections. So I'm going to go back over there and I'm just going to close out the community side. I'm going to navigate here to get to the token information. So I'm going to go back to the home page and I'm going to show you that this is the token address. You can view all the different information about the token, learn the benefits of the token, and how you can earn the tokens through activity in our community. All right, so go back up here, I'm going to enter the realm again, and I'm going to go to the NFTs. The NFTs are paired with the token. You can see the prices on the NFTs, and as you buy them, you can resell them for a higher price. And if you hold them and you have our tokens, as Adrian is going live on social media every day, he's going to spin a wheel and give you Stacker tokens for being a supporter of our community. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to go to Adrian's social media channels. I'm going to just click on X and I'm going to click on YouTube. So let's look at X. So X is where he's got a lot of the Web3 stuff, pretty much all Web3. He's talking about the token, the NFTs. He goes live every day with Danny and he's creating memes. And within SkillStacker, he's training people on the effectiveness of memes, how to create them, and how to promote them on X using SkillStacker as the central focus. And as they post memes, they get rewarded through Stacker tokens. All right, now taking a look at his YouTube channel, you can see a wide array of different things. So you can see some of the live ones that he's done here, and you can see the videos, 482 videos right now. And all of these range from Web3 to AI to marketing, graphics, sales. Everything that he's been doing for the last 20 years is demonstrated. Now, I want to show you the evolution of what has happened with Adrian. I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to look at Love Gangster because this is the other side of Adrian. So you can apply to become a guest or you can listen to the podcast. This will take you to the YouTube channel, but all the videos are here and you can see some of the people that he's got on here. This is Alex Stern. He's the creator of Constant Contact. We've got Sean Kelly, who is a top podcast host. We've got Jeff Hazlitt, who is a former CEO of DocuSign. This is the creator of Amazon Prime. She's a actor, and the list goes on and on. We've got billionaires, we've got innovative people, and really they're all love gangsters. And so a love gangster is somebody who is more than just a business owner or an entrepreneur, but there's somebody who is trying to change the world, which is what we're trying to do. And as Love Gangster grows, Adrian Boysel grows, you'll see that all of these things are going to grow because all of them work together. This is an interconnected ecosystem that feeds and fuels everything we do. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to get notified when I make new content about all the different areas I've discussed today. This was more of just an overview video, but I plan to make hyper-focused videos on each of the areas to show you opportunities that there are for you to grow in your business or also to help you monetize what you're doing. All right, thanks. Till next time.